Hey guys, Leslie here with a Happy Mail box from Just Starkey. I want to go ahead and unbox this. It did arrive just recently. I'm pretty sure you can order this box. I'm not sure. I couldn't tell if it was a PR box or if it was like an everybody can order this box. I'm not sure. So this one says, "You are amazing. Thank you for your support." And then you can use my code RUNWITH10 for 10% off. So cute. She made us little cards. And it says, "Welcome to the team." So I didn't know if this was like the welcome box. Anyway, I think she's going to sell boxes. So there's some tissue paper. And then she crocheted us a coaster. That's so cute. I might put this on my desk at work. That might be kind of fun. I don't know, though, because sometimes kids, like, take stuff. So probably not. Okay, got a coaster. And then we have wax seals, which I've never had before. So is it like a sticker? I don't know. I'll have to figure that one out. So you make the wax seals, and then I guess she sold them, so then you can stick them on other things. That's fun. There's a bee and a sunflower, and then like little flakes of gold foil. Cute. And then she made a customized at Runwithcraftscissors washi card. It feels kind of metally, like it's like thin metal. That's really cool. Never had one of those before. That'll be handy. All right, and then next up we have a planner tassel. Let's get this undone. Okay. That's so cute. Okay, cute card. And then we have our planner tassel. Has a little wooden bead on it. And it does have some ribbon and some like that floss. It's like made out of the floss stuff. That's cool. All right, and then this is a big sticker, I think. Yeah. It's a big sticker, and it says, "Crafty space planner things make you do a double take." Crafty space planner things make you do a double take? Okay, I don't know. That's cute, though. And then, is this another sticker? Yeah, this is another sticker. A big flower. I am trying to, like, keep stickers back that I'm really, really liking because we're supposed to get new laptops next year for work. So I want to have some new stickers for my new laptop. And then this one is planner pins. It says, "Ask me about my planner." And then it says "Planner Babe" on this one. I love that. I do have a couple of planner pins. I haven't ever put them on my lanyard. I'm so scared they're going to fall off and I'm not going to notice. But these are really cute. Usually I poke them into my corkboard. But I like these. Adorable. I like the patterns. All right, then we have a little bag. And it says, "Love it, brag about it, snap and share." That's a cute sticker. Oh, a little peek. Maybe I can save the sticker. Maybe. Maybe. A little bit. A little wax bag. Okay, so we have some black and white deco stickers. It says, "Bloom, be wild, grow your own way. She is a wildflower." Those are pretty. Oh, coloring wildflowers. So you could color it if you want. And then it's not black and white. All right, and then we have it says "Dotty Desert." Ooh, I like that. It almost seems animal printy. Oh, and then this one's wild circles. They really do kind of go all together, don't they? I like that. Wild circles, Dotty Desert, and coloring wildflowers. It's really fun. It's got some quotes in those stickers. That's fun. I like it. That's fun. Different. Okay, this one. Okay, I forget what these things are called. It says "Just Starkey, handmade with love." Okay, it's some kind of keychain wristlet thing. I forget what they're called. I think it's called a wristlet. I've never had one. I will try to use it. My classroom keys don't go on something like this, but I mean, my house keys definitely could, and maybe that would be easier to find them in my thing. So, but I know she hand makes this and like everything, like the planner tassel and the coaster and all that stuff. She like hand makes. She shares a lot of her stuff on Instagram. So this one's really cute. It's green with some white dots all over it. They're not perfect dots. They're like little pattern dots. Yeah, with some white threading. So that's really fun. This is like clamped on there. Then you can put your keys on this little keychain loop. So I really like it. I'll have to try it out. And then it says, there's a little note for me. Yep. instead of having you apply each month for a star box, I'm going to send every person on the team Happy Mail each release. That's cool. Okay. So, yeah, this will be fun. Now through August 1st. All right. At that time, our current team will end. Okay. So, I'm on the team until August 1st. And then I guess you reapply or something. I don't know. So, there you go. That's my box. I will leave links to her shop in the description box below. Be sure to tell me what your favorite item was. Was it the sticker? We're going to call this a sticker kit. Or the pins. Or the keychain key holder. Or the deco stickers. Or the tassel. Or the wax seals. Or the washi cutter. Or the coaster. I would love to know what your favorite item is from this box. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!